So 2 more questions to add quickly. So question 5, and again, I'm going to need an image, and I've saved it here, so I can just drag it in. So image title, question 5, and here's a list of 4 fractions. Which of these fractions is not equivalent to 1/4? Because typing the fractions is a pain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the question. Question 5, and I'm going to make it multiple choice because they're going to choose one of these, and I'm going to do the description of which one. And for option 1, I'm going to add an image again. I've got it saved 4/16 because that's the first one in the list. And I'm going to add an option 2. I'm going to add an image, and I'm going to drag in 2/8 as the second one. And then I'm going to add option 3. I'm going to add an image of the third one, which was 15/60. And then add option, and the fourth option, of course, is the fourth one in the list, 3/9. And that's the question done. It's multiple choice, which means they can only pick one anyway. So I'm now going to go and add an image ready for the final question, question 6. Which is this one here. Put these numbers in order of size, start with the smallest. Now, I could leave this as a free answer, get them to type it in, but there's all sorts of reasons why that can get a bit complicated. So I'm going to add the question of question 6, and I'm going to make it multiple choice, and I'm going to put in the answers. Now, I'm going to put the first one in as the right one, -6, -5, 0, 6, 12. I'm then going to mix it up and say, well, what do people get wrong? Well, sometimes people get the negatives the wrong way round. Sometimes they do it from biggest to smallest. So 12, 6, 0, -5, -6. Sometimes they just ignore the minus, so they'll go 0, -5, 6, -6, 12. All sorts of strange things people can do here. So 0, -5, -6, 6, 12. If they choose one of the wrong answers, it will obviously tell me what their thinking might be. I'm going to, on this one, say the description of which is in order. I'm also, on this one, going to shuffle the option order so that when a different student loads it up, they won't necessarily be in the same order. That means that the right answer is not always going to be A, it's going to mix them up. And that's quite a useful thing to be able to do. So those are my 6 questions. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make sure you're collecting names automatically, which is a useful thing to be able to do. Make sure that they can only do the test once if that's what you want to be able to do. And here's the fun bit, get it marked and the answers, sorry, the scores emailed straight back to students.